Good morning everyone and welcome to Il Paraiso. This is Doc Del once again. So this time we will have a short update of my garden, Il Paraiso. But before that, for those who are new to this channel, I want you to subscribe and then hit the notification bell so that if I have new videos relating to growing and cultivating orchids, you will always be updated. Okay, so this time, as what I have told you, this is just a short update. Titingnan lang natin kung ano yung mga orchids na may blooms dito sa garden. Okay, so first is this one, no? This is a type of common banda and I bought this from Sir Pong Salazar, and actually this is direct from Thailand. Okay, so thrice na po ito na nag-flower dito sa garden, and tingnan natin kung ano yung kanyang ID. Nalaglag pa. So this is yan, no? Hao Lao She, and this is Vanda GBV XB Labiliata. Okay, no? So again, nabili ko ito kay Sir Pong, direct from Thailand. Okay, so nag-iisa lang to. Merong dalawa si Sir Jonaldo Palpagal dyan. Okay, another one. Okay, so no, yung iba papalanta na because it has been 2 weeks or 3 weeks na hindi tayo nakabisita sa garden. Okay, doon sa unahan, yun, no, meron tayong mga, yan, no, mga common na mga vanda na we have here na nag-bloom. And maganda kasi hindi sila kinain ng mga peste. Okay. Another one is this, no. I think this is a type of lamilata, no. Andun siya sa ibabaw. Okay, and then meron akong ipapakita sa inyo kasi dito namulaklak na naman itong vanda na hanggang ngayon wala pa talaga siyang ID. Okay, tingnan nyo, napakabango nito, meron siyang lemon scent, no, and then actually it has been pang ilang beses na ba ito nagbulaklak. So I think mga 3 beses na itong nagbulaklak dito, and then tingnan ninyo, napakaganda ng kanyang tubo, no? Wala talagang sign na hindi siya healthy kasi as what I have said, no, during my previous videos, na I decided to place this in a half full sun, no? Meron pa nga nag-comment na babantayan natin kasi this is actually coming from a highland, no? And then nilagay natin sa lowland. However, napakaganda po ng kanyang adaptation kasi talagang nakapag-adapt siya, and napakaganda po ng kanyang tubo. Okay, tingnan nyo yung kanyang bulaklak, napakaganda po. Okay, so some of the dendrobiums na namumulaklak dito. And then tingnan nyo yung aking lamilata. This is Vanda Mariae, no? Galing ito kay Sir Jonaldo. Until now, I am still wishing na magkaroon siya ng kikis, but until now, wala pa talaga. Okay, so we will be crossing our fingers. Okay, another type, no, ito, no, nagagandahan talaga ako nito kasi this is a bloody red, no, tingnan nyo, no, this is a type of dendrobium. Nabili ko ito online sa isang seller, nakalimutan ko na yung pangalan. Actually, dalawa ito, however, nilagay ko sila doon sa kay Mito, kaya maganda yung kanilang mga naging tubo. Okay, so another one, yun, no, meron akong nakita dito, yung aking MFB 116. Okay, yan, no, pilapitan natin yan po. Okay, nabili ko yan kay Sir Neil, no, sa isang garden. Nung mag-live sila, bumili ako ng dalawa. Okay, tingnan nyo, napakaganda po ng shade, no. Actually, dalawa ito. However, magkaiba ang kanilang shade, no? 2 or 3 ata, no? 3. Okay, yan, no? This is MFB 116. Okay, no? Napakaganda niya. No, I think it has been 2 weeks, no? Hindi pa talaga nalanta yung kanyang dahon. Okay, so ang MFB 116 ay a combination of Vanda ustii and Vanda nusulta. Okay. Yan. Meron pa ba? As what I have said, this is just a very short update. No, talagang nagagandahan ako nito. No, the last time I visited the garden, actually nakabuka na ang mga flowers, and until now hindi pa siya na lanta. No, very good. So, yung aking dairy eye, no, yung aking Dendrobium dairy eye na talagang always siyang nagbulaklak. Tingnan niyo, napakaganda ng aking dairy eye. Po, no? So, another thing, meron pa ba tayong makita dito na nag-bloom? Ay, yun, no, yung aking mga phalaenopsis. Okay, yung aking phalaenopsis, yun. No? Okay, so this is, wow, napakaganda, no? This one, oh, I want you to see, guys. Wow, no? O, yan. This is my phalaenopsis. Okay, kaso lang wala na silang mga ID kasi matagal na to dito sa garden. Actually, matanda na po sila. Inilipat ko na lang sila dito. Ito din po, oh. No, this is also a type of phalaenopsis. These are hybrid phalaenopsis. Another one is this, no? O, tingnan nyo. Napakaganda ng aking mga phalaenopsis. Okay, yan po. Yan, no? Okay. This one. Ito yung mga iilan sa natirang phalaenopsis ko dito sa garden. And then they are keep on blooming. Yan po. Okay, no? Medyo magubat. Okay. What else? Okay, tingnan natin kaunti yung aking waling-waling section. Okay. Wow, no? They are actually healthy. Kasi talagang alagang-alaga na sila ngayon. Yan po. No? So, another one is this, no? This is actually strap leaf Vanda. Tingnan natin yung pangalan. Okay, Dr. Anik 221. Tingnan nyo, meron na siyang spike. Okay, so yun lang po, no? Thank you so much for watching. God bless everyone. Until next update. And maligayang Pasko po sa lahat.